Okay, Karishma, you're sitting pretty today. You got three hat tricks in a three hits in a row. That's a hat trick. Do you think you're number one today?
I think we should not get into this number game at all. I'm just happy and thankful that people have finally taken me seriously as an actress, and that's the important thing for me. And everybody keeps asking me this question, that how does it feel having three hits in a row and whatever. But I just like to say that I'm just happy and thankful and grateful to the audience and to everyone. And I've never taken my success for granted, and I never will. I'm sure that's your next question, that how do you feel and are you going to change after all this? But no, I'm not, and I think I'm a pretty level-headed girl, so I'd never do that.
Do you think your grandfather, the legendary Raj Kapoor Sahab, would have been proud at your success today?
Well, I just say that I'm sure he is, because I've made it on my own. I've never had any big banners supporting me. I've never had any, all this great publicity that I'm the newcomer of the decade and this and that, and all these kind of things. I've made it from a small. I worked in a South Indian producer, Mr. D. Ramanaidu made Prem Kedi. So it all started like from there, and I've like kind of made it on my own. So I'm sure he is.
Every girl dreams of reaching the top slot. Surely you must have dreamt of the same at some point of time.
I think I've always dreamt that I'd like to keep my grandfather's name and the RK banner always flying. And as a kid, I've always wanted to be an actress, because I used to see it everywhere around me. I woke up in the morning and my father and my uncles and my mother and my aunts and everyone was in this profession. So I always used to feel that maybe I should also make a small little niche for myself, and that has happened today.
Do you think there was any kind of opposition at the time?
Well, it's just people just think this, it's a big kind of this whole thing was propaganda was made, when I joined, that oh, she her family didn't want it and she's the first Kapoor girl. Well, the thing is that none of my aunts, like everybody asked me, why didn't your father's sisters become actresses? I think out of choice.
Was there any kind of family opposition at that time?
Well, not at all. I think there's this big whole rumor or propaganda or whatever that came out when I joined, is that no Kapoor girl is allowed to act in Hindi films and all, which is not true at all. I mean, my father's sisters did not want to be actresses, so I think that's why they were like, they were not interested. And they say, oh, but your mother got married and she didn't work after that. I think that it was because she wanted to have a family and be at home, and that's the only reason. And not at all. In fact, my family is really. My dad loves the idea that I'm here, and he like checks me, and he like tells me if he doesn't like something, he'll tell me that I didn't like this. Or if he likes something, he'll tell me I really liked it.
Now, talking about this latest big hit, Raja Hindustani, people expect Amir Khan, a very competent actor, but now we see that people coming out are talking only about you. How does that feel?
I don't know what to say. No, but I just say that I knew that I had a really nice role in Raja Hindustani, and I knew like Amir was there opposite me. So I think it's I just say that I believed in the film, I believed in myself, I believed in my role, my character, and I trusted the director completely. And I think it's just our hard work and perseverance that has paid off.
Charisma, do you think the sexy tag has stopped people from looking at you as an actress?
Well, the thing is that at that time I was really young and all, so whatever happened, I have no regrets about it. But I think today, after Raja Hindustani, now people have, after Jeet was the beginning, and Raja Hindustani has like kind of consolidated it, that yes, this girl can be a serious actress also and can portray those kind of roles also, and that's the important thing. Well, I think earlier people used to always feel that I was really young, and she dances very well and she looks very cute and everything, but it was always that kind of thing. Probably because I've like grown up here and people have seen me as a child also, so they think that she's still small or whatever. But I think finally with Jeet and with Raja Hindustani, it's been consolidated, that this girl is made of sterner stuff and she can do the serious acting kind of roles also, and that that was that feels really nice, that finally people have taken me seriously. because I think it's been more tough for me than any other newcomer. As it is, if you are a star son or star daughter or whatever, it's very difficult. So I think it was more difficult for me because I had these so many generations to go through, and my uncles and aunts and everyone. So even if like everybody looked at me with binoculars, extra magnifying glasses, let's see what she can do. Well, the rest of everybody, it was like, oh, how sweet, new girl, very nice, and how nice, It was more difficult for me to prove myself, everywhere, like whatever I did, it was like, oh, but this, but that. It was always like that. Will she be accepted by the masses? She looks a little Western, this, that. So it's been a long ride for me. But I don't regret anything, and I think it's made me a stronger person and a better person, and I think a better actress also. So I don't regret anything, what has happened. And even though it's been a little more difficult for me, but it's finally paid off. Like everybody asks me, what is this new change about you? Everything has changed. It's me, it's the same person. I think it's just that I've evolved, I've grown up, and like I've said, it's my hard work and my perseverance that has paid off, and I'm so happy that people have finally noticed,
Is this the best year for you professionally? 96, Jeet and Raja Hindustani and Sajan Chale.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess so, professionally, because I think these three films I had all three films are contrasting from each other. You cannot say that I've done the same thing in all the three films, There I was, like in Sajan Chale Sasural, I played a village girl, who was very possessive of her husband and a little, very, naughty type, because she's a villager who's like come to Bombay and everything, innocent girl. In Jeet, it was a girl who was torn between two men, and how she has to sacrifice her love for like Sunny, for Salman. So, and it was quite interesting for me because Sunny being such a big action man, I had to slap him in the movie. So I think it was quite a big challenge for me, It was quite interesting. And then Raja Hindustani, and that film has so many shades in it, she's Oxford returned, a little, doesn't have a mother, very lonely, and how she meets this taxi driver and she falls in love, and then there's the divorce and childbirth, and so it was very different. All the three films are totally different from each other, and that's important. It's not that I don't want to be stereotyped, like, oh, she can only do this or she can only do that. Here there's a variety, so I think professionally it has been a good year for me. They've all been different roles and different characters and different emotions.
And very successful.
Thank you.
No, Sajan Chale Sasural is just the latest in a series of films with Govinda and David Dhawan.
Yes.
What makes the team click so well?
Well, I'd say it's a passion for our work. Because I'm very passionate. I joined this profession not to become a star. I came here because it's my hobby, it's my passion. I wanted to do this. I'm not, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but it's just been there, And of course, I see it as a serious profession today, but it was that. And even I think Govinda is very passionate. He's very into his dancing and very into what he's doing, and so is David G. So I think it's our passion for our work that just makes it happen.
Do you think you've learned anything from Govinda, especially his comedy?
Well, yes, I think their comic timing, and I've learned a lot as far as my dancing is whenever we're not in the shot, we're always discussing new dancing and new steps, and we're like, what should we do, and can we do this, and can we do that? So that's a great interaction that there is.
Which part of your work do you enjoy the most?
To tell you honestly, I love everything about it, except waking up early in the morning. But I love being on the sets. I love the atmosphere. I just love it, and I'd always like to be here. I think I've grown up. It's in my blood. It's running everywhere. So I know there are a lot of sacrifices you have to make to be in this profession. I know there are a lot of sacrifices you have to make to be in this profession. But I'm a fairly sensible girl, and I don't mind it because I love this place.
I've been told that dancing is a passion with you.
Yes, it is. Well, I don't know. Ever since I was a child, I just loved to dance. You know, I used to see my grandfather's a song from Sangam. मैं क्या करूँ राम मुझे बुढ़ा मिल गया. I used to love that, and I used to always try to go home and try to imitate and take my mother's dupatta and play. So and I think it shows on screen. I I I just don't go on the set and say, okay, what is the dance movement? Okay, yeah, this is what I have to do. I like to know. I like to find out. I'm like, oh, can I try this? Can I do this? That I like it. So I think that's why. And like when I started, the first thing people noticed was my dancing. I guess because I just love it so much.
You are working with Amitabh Bachchan and Mrityu Data. How was the experience?
Well, it's been absolutely wonderful. I've always, as a child, I've been his great fan. And I always thought that one day I'd just like to stand in the same frame as him. And here I'm doing like a full role. And it's been really exciting. It's been great.
Your dad, Dabbuji, is returning to acting. Is that something you've been looking forward to? And
Oh yeah, I think that's really fun.
Your forthcoming projects, which ones are you looking forward to?
Well, my next release will be Ajay. That's with Sunny again. And it's been like vastly shot abroad. Like we've been to Paris and we've been to France. So it's really made on a very large scale and they're lovely locations. And you could call it a romantic film, but at the same time, it has a lot of excitement in it. And I play an interesting kind of role. And I just like, my new films, I just want to play different characters. Now I can actually take out the time to choose new roles and interesting characters. I don't want to just keep on playing the usual Hindi film heroine. I want to do something different. Like I'm doing a film called Laveria. That's with me and Saif. It's directed by Mr. Kundan Shah. And I play a maid servant in that movie. So it's pretty different, So I'd just like to continue doing exciting new things. Okay.
One
Today,
more. Yes. Yumi?
how does it feel today to be sitting pretty success?
No, I just say that I'm really happy and thankful to all the audience and to the viewers who are watching this right now. And I just want to say I'm really thankful for appreciating my work. And I think my hard work has finally paid off. So I just say that it's a great inspiration and motivation to try even better. And I hope you'll keep enjoying my films.